Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in trigonometry. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, secant theta minus tan theta by secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by 9. Then what is the value of secant theta? Friends, secant theta minus tan theta into secant theta plus tan theta is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So friends, secant theta minus tan theta and secant theta plus tan theta are reciprocal to each other. Friends, say this is A, then this becomes 1 by A. This is A, this becomes 1 by A. So A by 1 by A by 1 by A is equal to 1 by 9. It implies A square is equal to 1 by 9. A is equal to 1 by 3. That means secant theta minus tan theta. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. Then secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by A. That means it becomes 3. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to reciprocal to each other. So this becomes 3. So on adding 2 secant theta is equal to 1 by 3 plus 3. 1 by 3 plus 3. 3 3 is 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. 2 ones to 5. So friends, secant theta is equal to 5 by 3 friends. Secant theta is equal to 5 by 3. Thank you.